What is up, my spooky babes and ghouls? So today we're gonna be filming a makeup tutorial / review. Anastasia recently released a new Norvina Volume 5 palette. I had just received it in the mail a couple weeks ago, I think, and I finally got around to using it. I've already used it once before and I really like it. I like all the like deep purples in it, and like the kind of, there's some like neutral shades in it, but it kind of deadly, you know, like they have like this dead looking tone vibe to them. So here is the palette, and it's really pretty. I like the holographic of the packaging on the outside, and you open it up and it's just like all the other previous volumes, but this one's obviously like more purples. It does include white in it, so that's pretty cool. I like using white as a transition shade. Like I like to use it as a base to help me blend out the darker shades later on. Oh shit. So here is the palette. It has a bunch of beautiful like deep purples, as I said. There's also like some pinks in there, some really pretty shimmery pinks in there too as well. There's also like two like glitter shades. This one looks more glittery actually, but this one's also like glitter as well. This one definitely looks like a pressed glitter, and it's beautiful. And I haven't tried that one out yet, and I don't think I will today because I want to go for like more of like a smoky, like dark plum look, you know. And I have like I kind of want to create something gothic, you know. So that's like been my vibe lately, and I just want to do that. And I want to show you guys how to do that with this palette. But I really do like these shades over here in the top right corner. They do look like just even like by themselves, like if you wear them, like it'll just give you like a dead kind of look, you know. Like that's, you know, like something like it's the kind of shades I would use if I wanted to look like a naturally dead kind of vibe, especially with Halloween coming right on the corner. I think these shades are really perfect for just a nice dead, dark, smoky plum look, you know. I think it's perfect for that. Okay, so I already did my face makeup. I already did my contour and everything, and there's a stupid gnat flying around. Anyway, so I already did my contour and all my foundation and everything. All I have to do left is the eyes, and of course like my lipstick, my brows, and probably lashes as well. But I just mainly wanted to focus on the eye makeup today. Okay, so first we're going to start off with using A1, which is the white shade. And of course you guys can follow this makeup tutorial if you have like a palette that's very similar, or like similar colors. You can obviously follow it. You don't have to get this palette, but if you want to recreate the look that I'm gonna be wearing for today, I say go ahead and recreate with whatever you got. So I'm gonna take that shade and I'm gonna blend it all over my eyelid, and also a little bit underneath my eyes as well, because I'm gonna be adding a lot of dark eyeshadow underneath my eyes. And what's perfect about this palette is that it has a huge mirror. Okay, so next we're going to be diving into the shade A4, and I'm going to kind of dust this shade all over the top lid. Okay, so next we're going to be diving into the shade A5, and I'm going to be blending this one along the crease and up into the previous shade that we had just applied. Okay, so next we're diving into the shade E5, and we're going to be applying this one all over the lid and smoking it out up into the previous shades that we had applied. Okay, so next I'm applying the shade D3, and this one's like a really dark purple shimmer, but like in this light it almost looks like copperish. Like, yeah, it looks almost copperish in this lighting. It's so weird, but I swatched it and I think it might look good over this eye look. So I'm just gonna get it on my finger and dab it on to like pretty much the whole center of it. I'm not gonna apply like too much. I just want like a little shimmer, you know. Okay, so next time I'm doing the under eyes, let me doing the same color combo. I'm gonna be starting off with A4, A5, and E5. I'm gonna go from light to dark. So pretty much what I did on top, just smaller down here, of course. Okay, next I'm applying the KBD Vegan Beauty Anti-Precision Liner onto my waterline. So I'm probably gonna smoke it out a little bit into the eyeshadow that I had did right now. I had just done right now. Okay, so next I'm applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Mascara onto my lashes. Okay, so I'm gonna go do my brows and my lips off camera, and I'll be right back to you guys. Okay, so I completely forgot I was gonna add lashes before I even left camera to do my brows and my lips, but because I wanted to talk about the lashes, but I'm using the Moonstruck lashes from Lunar Dusk. They are actually a local makeup brand. I discovered them from going to the market days here in my town, but I might try not to expose where I live exactly, but they go on market days like every first Saturday of the month. That's when it is. They were there first time I went, like recently, like when they first reopened, and then this past month as well. And I buy lashes from them. I have another pair as well. These ones are in style Barcelona, but these ones are pretty. I like these. But I like to wear these ones mostly because of the way they wing out, and I like having my eyes more like flared out, because I think that this looks good in my eye shape, just having the lashes like flared out like that. But I think these are perfect for like cat eyes or just whatever, you know. But I like these. And you also saw like a bunch of face oils and other product soaps. I think a lash serum. I have it here somewhere in my kit, but I don't know where it is exactly. I have to dig for it. But they have a bunch of cool stuff. I'll link their website down below in the description box and Instagram as well. But I just wanted to show you guys these and talk about it a little bit because they are a local brand and I like supporting local businesses. Okay, so that is it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I had a ton of fun sitting down and doing a makeup tutorial, and I haven't done one in a while. I haven't sat down from the camera and done my makeup since last October, I think. It's been a while, you guys. It's just because I just received a new palette from Anastasia, and I was like, you know what, and I've been wanting to get back into YouTube for a little bit. I've been slowly itching and like just itching into it, you know. I did post like a video like a few months ago and then one recently, but I want to do makeup again. Like I miss it, but also like I just at the time, like I guess at the time, like a couple months ago, I didn't feel like doing makeup. Like I just couldn't bring myself to do it in front of the camera for some reason. I barely even wear makeup nowadays, honestly. I guess because of the pandemic, and it's just slowed me down, I guess, a lot. And it's just depressing, just doing nothing but being home all day. I really like this palette. I think it's pretty. It's perfect for like a gothy, vampy look, like a gothic, vampy look. I also like how I matched the lips to my eyes as well. I want to go for that vampy purple look. But I think it's cute. I think it's perfect, especially for Halloween coming up, if you want to do like your vampire look or like a dead kind of girl, like a dead girl look, a corpse bride, you know. This eye look kind of reminds me of the corpse bride, not the corpse bride, but like the dead bride makeup I did a couple years ago. It's here on my channel. I'm gonna put a little picture of it up here, but kind of reminds me of that, because I use like a lot of pinks for that look. And it's not like the Tim Burton corpse bride, like this is like my own little dead bride. But yeah, it was nice filming a makeup tutorial for the first time in a long time, and I do have plans for Halloween, you guys. I have makeup tutorials I have planned out. I haven't done them yet, but I'm gonna start doing them. I already have supplies I got for them, and I just probably need to buy a few more pieces for a video, and I'm waiting on some other stuff coming in the mail, so I'm pretty excited to start, you guys. I'm probably gonna start as soon as possible because I have my last school semester in the fall, and I'll probably be graduating then. So I want to focus on that a little bit, but I also want to get my Halloween videos out of the way so that way I don't be like stressing out with school and trying to get Halloween YouTube videos up in time. So yeah. Also, I have some new, like other new products that I got into. I got the lip balms too, but I don't know where I did with mine. Mine's somewhere. I have a strawberry one here with me. From Anastasia, they sent me the strawberry, the mango, and I think pineapple it was? No, it was coconut. They sent me those three scents or flavors of lip balms, and I haven't tried it yet. I have my strawberry one, but I don't know where it went. It's somewhere in my makeup bag or on my vanity, but I don't feel like getting out to get it right now. But I also got like a new product from Good Mom Like Girls. If you guys want to see a video on that, it's a toner. I think I want to try it first before I film a video, just to have like a little short review. Just to also put something out too as well. I've been lacking in the video department lately, obviously, but that's because I haven't really felt up to it to be filming, you guys. But now I think I'm finally getting back into the gist of it. So yeah, I'm excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe for more content like this. Also, I'm probably gonna be doing like more music reviews and maybe some more lookbooks in the future. We'll see about that. But also definitely stay for the Halloween stuff, you guys, because I have some pretty badass Halloween videos coming up. Hopefully, I mean, I'm sure they're gonna be badass, but I also have some badass videos from the previous years I had filmed, so you guys gotta check them out, please. I have some really cool videos. I usually work hard for my Halloween videos, so I would appreciate it if you guys check them out and share them. Also, I do have a Depop. I've had it for a while. I just never mentioned it here on YouTube. I don't know why I should, but I'll leave the link down below in the description box. But I'll post like a little picture of like my feet over here. But I do have a bunch of stuff from like my closet from like high school. A bunch of stuff I really haven't worn in like years. So, and some of it I have worn recently, and I just don't. I have like something similar to it that I like better that I'm just selling. So basically, go shop my closet, you guys. I have a bunch of cool stuff. I have a bunch of band tees and some Gothic pieces in there. And just a bunch of different stuff. I even have some manga in there, and I even have some handmade jewelry that I made. So please go check it out. And you can also DM me on Depop if you guys want to bundle stuff or have any questions about anything. Please DM me. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for more awesome content. I'm mainly active on Instagram. Also do have a TikTok as well. I'll make sure to leave that down in the description box too. My username, that way you can follow it, but I haven't posted anything on there in a while, so yeah. So that'll be it for today's video, so thank you guys so much for watching, and stay safe. Bye guys!